Try and download or Win32 Adload PZ is a detection of Microsoft Defenders that you can see popping up in the system. This detection is a marker or a malicious activity that can end up with spyware injection or hackers gaining remote access to the computer. At the same time, there are reports about it being a false positive detection. In this video, I will explain whether it can be false positive and how to remove it. So normally, try and download or Win32 Adload PZ detection flags a backdoor malware or a loader active in the system. Adload name corresponds to a small group of malwares that acts in a similar manner to one another, more specifically, downloads different adware. PZ ending corresponds to the heuristic detection system being used. This is actually an important detail, we will get back to it later. For the symptoms that you may notice, they are mostly meager and unremarkable. Malware tries to leave as little visible clues as possible so it can stay undetected for longer. However, you can see console windows blinking from time to time, your internet traffic consumption getting exponentially higher, and a lot of strange processes popping up in the task manager. Both backdoors and loaders can inject other malware into your system, but backdoors also provide remote access and can mess up with system settings. There is also a possibility of this detection being a false positive. As I said, it comes from the heuristic detection system, which requires confirmation from other detection systems for better accuracy. When other systems cannot confirm or deny that the threat is real, it can end up with a false detection. If you see Microsoft Defender flagging a safe and legit application as malicious, you can just dismiss the alarm. But how to understand whether the try and download or Win32 Adload PZ is a real detection? Manual analysis may be complicated, especially since malicious programs can sometimes mix their files with legit applications. For that reason, I recommend running a second opinion scan with Grid-Soft anti-malware. It will quickly reveal whether there is any threat to your system or not. Download it by the link in the video description and run a full scan. So the program will go through all the system elements, down to configuration files and hidden folders. The scan will take around 15 minutes. After the scan, click the Clean Now button to remove the detected malware. If no detections appear during the scan, then you have likely seen a false positive detection. But when there are malicious programs, I would recommend you to reset all the passwords that you have in the system. This way, cybercriminals will not be able to use the leaked credentials. In any case, good luck and stay safe online.